Two kitchen spices that serve as powerhouse for arthritis and pain relief. Watch out the tablet production of this combo. Hi, welcome to my channel, Measure, Mix and Make MMM. Do you know that turmeric contains of bioactive compound called curcumin? Yes, turmeric is made of curcumin, one of the powerful bioactive compounds that when you combine it with black pepper, which contains piperine, that helps absorption of turmeric by the body, you will receive a relief of pain and arthritis. Watch out how we can use these two ingredients to formulate tablets that will relieve you of pain and arthritis. Formulate turmeric tablets. You need scale, you need your pressing mold machine, you need your turmeric powder, you need black pepper, you need guar gum. Now you on your scale, start to zero, measure 8 grams of turmeric powder and turn it into the bowl. Measure 1 gram of black pepper powder. You turn it into the bowl. Now you measure 0.5 gram of guar gum. 0.5 gram of guar gum. You turn it. You carefully blend all the powders together. Make sure they mix well. Like this video, share it, let it reach people suffering from arthritis. Next, you sprinkle water and keep turning. Keep mixing. Keep blending. You now sieve it as I'm demonstrating so that it mixes well. Turmeric tablet has a lot of advantages. It is an antioxidant that protects joints from oxidative stress that worsens arthritis. Next, we now press the tablet by using our tablet pressing mode. You take the powders and fill the cavities. Fill it carefully as I am demonstrating. Turmeric tablets can help to relieve pain. Curcumin can reduce arthritis pain, which might be compared to ibuprofen, as studies has proven. It also helps to protect cartilage. So after filling the machine, you mount the top mode and press it as I am demonstrating. Next, you press out the tablet, press it out like this. Then you can repeat the process. You take your powder and refill your manual press machine, just as you can see. Combination of this turmeric powder with black pepper will help in the bioavailability of the curcumin. This will help as anti-inflammatory, as piperine itself can reduce inflammation and pain sensitivity. So the synergistic effects of turmeric and piperine will enhance pain relief and joint flexibility. So we keep molding our tablets. Now you remove like this. You take again, the last one now. You fill the cavities. Make sure the cavities are well filled. Fill the cavities very well. Make sure you fill the cavity. Then you mount the top mold and press the powders into tablets. You remove. This is the turmeric tablet for arthritis pain relief. Like the video and share it. Now you spread the tablet, then put it into the oven. You close the oven, then set the oven at 45 degrees Celsius for 1 hour.